Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to connect GitHub to ChatGPT. If you want to connect your GitHub account to ChatGPT, so by linking GitHub, you can give ChatGPT access to your repositories, making it easier to review code, analyze projects, generate documentation, and assist with development tasks. So in this guide, I'll show you how to connect GitHub to ChatGPT step by step. So launch ChatGPT in your web browser and sign into your OpenAI account. So open ChatGPT. Now click your profile icon in the bottom left corner, then go to settings. Once you're on settings, what you need to do is to look for account on the left side and select that. Next, once you're here, scroll down and hover over to links. So depending on your ChatGPT plan and interface, if you see connected apps, connectors, click on that. So once you're here, look for GitHub and click add. So a GitHub authorization page will open. So you can sign into your GitHub account if prompted. So click authorize OpenAI. So review the permission ChatGPT is requesting, then click authorize to grant access.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. My team and I publish step-by-step tutorials on useful software, apps, and tools to help you get things done every single day. And so if you're finding these videos useful, I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. And of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release more tutorials just like this one. Now, let's continue.
So after authorization, you will be redirected back to ChatGPT. Your GitHub account should now appear as connected. So scroll down, and as you can see, so here is our GitHub account. It's already connected to ChatGPT. So once connected, you may be able to analyze code from your repositories, get explanations for files and functions, generate documentation, debug code and suggest improvements, ask questions about your project. So the available features depends on your ChatGPT plan and the GitHub integration available in your workspace. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.